You can get a video of me. You know it ain't recording what you say unless I'm by you. Look at that big boat out there. Boy, nice as hell. It's big. So y'all be wondering what the movies be like? This is what it is right here. It's a lot of steel, man. Floating. Detroit's finest right here. Getting their money's worth. And that's a tugboat, basically, with a lot of power in it.
These clown ass, bitch ass niggas. Clown ass niggas.
Yo, this your boy Salak. It's my channel. Takeoff time. It's time to take off. For all you women that want to be seen, I need to rate your bubble, your face, and a lot of other stuff. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever see us out here, we creating content, y'all come get with us. You know what I'm saying? It's takeoff time for real. That way. Beautiful woman out here with it's your daughter?
Yes.
Look at her. She's beautiful. Her daughter's beautiful. And who's that?
My best friend, her godmom.
Okay. Look at that.
Yeah.
Out here enjoying life.
Enjoying Detroit.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Detroit, where it's at, right? 313? Throw that 313 up.
Yes.
Y'all have a good day. Yeah.
Hey, the channel's called Take Off Time.
Take off what?
Take Off Time.
Oh, okay, okay.
But is it already up?
It's already up. I just gotta. Hey, brother, you mind if I film that? So wait. It's just to show people that this is what two people supposed to be doing, a man and a woman, and this is love right here. Do one more time, bro. One more time. Now this what it is right here. And we in Detroit. Look at that. Okay. All right. Okay, look at that.
My dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peace.
Footage. You on your way. Shit, that was raw and real.
Riverwalk life. Hey, y'all know I'm from Pontiac though. You know what I'm saying? From Pontiac to Detroit. You know what I'm saying? But I stay down here in the D now. Hold on, let's get that building right there. Turn around, look at that. That's the gym building, bro. Yeah. Hey, we ride Chevys, man. Y'all know what we do. Chevys in the Yak, East Side Threakin. You know what I'm saying? Got all these people out here down in the city, from the Pontiac to Detroit. You know, this is what we gonna do.
What else up that way? Oh, wait a minute.
Keep it rolling, 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 rolling. Oh, look at that. She got a guy, so he gonna be acting up. WFI? Okay. I don't know them. Everything has changed, man. It's a new breed. All the brothers is out here praising the Most High. Shalom. You know what I'm saying? Hebrew Israelites, that's who we are. We're not black. We're not African American. You know, we who we are. God's chosen. You keep the peace.